Fix It here, doing the Ford alloy wheel refurb. As you see, this one's quite bad. I'm using 80 grit paper yet again, the JCB one, which is very good actually, which is available in B&Q, and I'll show you once I've rubbed it all down. Thank you. Welcome back to my Ford refurb. It's Mr. Fix It here. Like I've said, I've rubbed down the wheel with 800, sorry 80, and then 120. As you see, this wheel is quite bad, but we will get there. As you see, I've rubbed down the wheel. This was quite a bad wheel, and as you see, it's nicely rubbed down. So the next thing I'm going to do now is get my local tyre fitter to just and take the tyre off the rim, and then I can do the next step. Thank you.